Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you love handmade holidays decor, that cozy woodland vibe, you are in the right place. Today I'm making a huge Christmas wreath, something bold, natural and full of festive warmth. So without further ado, let's get into it.
This year I wanted to go big, really big with my Christmas decor, so I decided to make a gigantic wreath to hang above the fireplace. I started with a large wire base. You can use grapevine, styrofoam, or even make one yourself if you can't find one this size. The diameter of mine is about 60 centimeter. Next I added a mix of greenery branches to build a nice full shape. For the texture, I mixed different types of greenery, some frosted, some deep green, which really gives that natural woodland feel. I also slipped in a few soft leaves for variety, keeping the look organic, not too perfect, just like something gathered straight from the forest. Then I start layering in the pine cones. I love how they add the rustic touch and break up the greenery beautifully. And of course, it wouldn't be a Christmas wreath without a pop of red. So I added clusters of berries all around, tucking them in between the greens. The contrast of red and green just feels so festive and alive. To give the wreath even more rustic look, I've decided to hang a vintage skipping rope handle in the middle and accentuate it with a brown velvet ribbon. You can add something simple to match your own style. Once everything was secure, I hung it up and stepped back, and honestly, it completely transformed the space. It's bold, wild, and perfectly imperfect. Exactly what I love about handmade decorations. If you're thinking of making one yourself, don't be afraid to go big. It makes such a beautiful statement piece for the holidays. Thank you so much for watching, for being here, and for supporting my channel. It truly means a lot to me. I'm so happy to be able to share my creations with you, whether for inspiration, idea, or simple for the joy of watching. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.